Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. In science, we learn about different type of things, different type of food, different type of animals and many other things. We learn about food, that some food are healthy for us when some food are unhealthy for us. We also learn about animals and we learn about our body parts also. We learn about safety rules, which is safe for us, which keep ourselves safe from different type of things. We also learn about that some rules we have to follow at our home, at school and many other places. Then we learn about importance of house, that what we need to cover our body, and we learn about the different type of things like air and water. We learn that air is most important thing for living life because we need air to breathe in. Then we learn about water, that all living things need water for drink, right? So all these things we learn in this science. We also learn that different uses of water like drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, and in many things we are using water. We learn about different sources of water and many other things, right? So all these things we learn in science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our lesson number 13, weather. So in previous lecture we start our new lesson, it is weather, and today's topic is seasons. So in this lesson we learn about different type of days and different type of seasons also. We also learn about that what we wear on different type of days. And we learn something new in this lesson. So this lesson is about seasons and the different days which we feel in the year. So as we learn in this lesson that every day is not same in whole year. Sometime it is cold, sometime it is hot, right? So today we learn about season and we learn something new about the different type of days. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. So here you can see on your screen the line that if you really want to do something, you will find a way. If you don't, you will find excuses. So what is the meaning of this line? That if you want to work on something, if you want to achieve some goal, right? So if you really want to all these things, so you can find a way to complete this work. But if you don't want to do anything, then you will find excuses, right? So here, so it means if you want to achieve anything, you will find the way, and if you don't want to do anything, you will find excuse which is stop you to doing your work. So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. Before we start our today's topic, first we revise that what we learned in previous lecture, right? So let's see that what we learned in previous lecture. So in previous lecture we learned about weather. So when we learn about the weather, we learn that weather changes every day. So first we think in our mind that what is weather, right? So in previous lecture we learn about weather, which is the name of this lesson also, right? So let's see what we learn about weather in previous lecture. So lesson number 13, weather. You can see here weather, picture of sun and picture of cloud, and you can see here rain also. So this lesson is about the atmosphere which we feel around us, and we all know that the atmosphere is changes every day, because sometimes in morning you feel cold, in afternoon you feel heat in atmosphere, and near evening you again feel cold, right? So this is the weather which is changes every. So this lesson is about the weather and how the weather changes every day. So lesson number 13, weather. In this lesson we learn about different type of days. Here you can see the picture of sun and clouds. We learn that on which day we see sun in the sky and on which day you can see clouds in the sky. So let's see what is weather. So in previous lecture we learned about what is weather, right? So when we see this picture of one boy who is thinking, so you understand that what you have to do, right? So what is weather? So in previous lecture we learned that on different type of days we feel different atmosphere, and this is the weather, right? So here you can see the picture of one seesaw, right? So you can understand that in which day we are going near to seesaw or on the seesaw. It is the day when you feel heat in atmosphere, right? So here you can see the picture of seesaw, and you can see bright sun also, right? So this is the different type of day. Then the second picture you can see, it is picture of rain, right? So every day you feel that sun shines brightly in the sky? No, right? Every day it's raining in atmosphere? No, right? So here you can see the picture of sun, and second picture you can see it is rain, right? So these are the days which we feel in our year, right? Then the third picture you can see, it is picture of snowfall. So because of snowfall, what we feel? We feel cold. You can see here snowfall also, and in our country mostly the area of not having snowfall, but still we are feeling cold, right? Before a week we all are feel cold in atmosphere. Right now we not feel cold in atmosphere. In the fourth one you can see it is wind blow, right? So in lesson number 11, when we learn about air, we also learn that moving air is called wind. So here you can see the picture of wind, right? And because of wind, the trees are moving, and you can see what is the strength of wind, and because of that, the things are moving. So here you can see four type of the day, right? First picture you can see picture of the sun. So some days of the year we feel heat in the atmosphere, right? So it is the hot day or sunny day. And second picture you can see it is picture of rain. So we all know that every day we are not see rain, right? It's not raining, right? So third picture you can see it is picture of snowfall, and because of snowfall you feel cold. And fourth picture you can see it is wind. So it is dry day or windy day. So these all are the types of the day which we feel every day, right? But it is different to each other, right? So this is the weather, and weather is change day to day, right? So now you can understand that what is weather. Weather is the atmosphere which we feel in our home also. When you are going out you can feel also. So this is weather. So some days are hot, like a year we feel different type of day, right? So in year some days are hot and it is particular time, right? When some days are cold, in which we feel cold in atmosphere, we are not wake up early and we are in our home. Some days are rainy, so at that day we all are in our house and you can see that rainy season of the year. At that days you cannot go out of the house because everywhere there is rain and water, right? Some days are dry and windy. So here you can see some days are hot, some days are cold, some days are rainy, when some days are dry and windy. So this is the weather. Why? Because you can see when it is heat in atmosphere, we all say that the weather is very hot, right? So when you see rain, so you feel that the weather is very cloudy as well as rainy season also, right? So these all are the days of the year which you feel. So here you can see the picture of different type of weather. First picture you can see sun shines very brightly. So you can see full sun there. And in second picture you can see sun and clouds both, right? So it means there is sun but sun is hiding behind the clouds, right? So you can understand that on that day you can see sun is coming out, but after some time again the clouds cover the sun, right? Then the third picture you can see it is only clouds, so it means cloudy day because sun is in the sky but you cannot see sun because sun is covered with clouds. Then fourth you can see it's rainy day, so you can see here rain also. You can see here moon also, it means it is night. So these all are the days of the year which you feel. It is not compulsory that today is you see that sun shines very brightly, so it not compulsory that tomorrow there is no rain, maybe tomorrow it is rain. So it is the weather which is changes day to day, right? Weather keeps the changing from day to day. As I told you that today you feel heat, tomorrow you feel cold, even in one day you feel two type of atmosphere, right? So this is the weather which is changes every day and day to day. Sometimes day of the year hot, sometimes day of the year cold, when sometimes day of the year rainy. So it is divided in different season. It is particular time of hot days, particular time of cold days and particular time of rainy days. So weather keeps the changing from day to day. Sometimes day of the year hot, sometimes cold and sometimes rainy, and it is weather. So if someone asks you that what is changes every day, so the answer is weather is changes every day. So in previous lecture we also learn about different type of day, that which day mostly we feel. That first picture you can see one person is wearing sweaters, woolen caps and scarf, and you can see here boot and socks, right? So which type of day you can see here? As we learn in lesson number 9, that on cold days we are wearing woolen clothes. So here you can see the woolen clothes, right? So which type of day? It is cold day, and you can see here the situation of this person because of cold day. So you must wear sweaters and mufflers and scarf and woolen clothes in cold day. Then you can see in second picture it is picture of sun. And you can see sun wearing sunglasses, and sun is sweating also, and you can see fan also. So as I told you in previous lecture that it is only picture, never sun wear sunglasses and not any fan on the clouds. It is just for your information, right? So here you can see the picture of hot days. So hot days means sun shines very brightly, right? So it is one type of day. Then we learn about other day which you see on your screen. It is raining. So which day it is? As we learn that when it's rain, so it means it is rainy day. So mostly rainy day you can find that there are clouds in the sky. Mostly sun is not in the sky, right? So it is rainy day. Then you can see here picture of cloud and picture of tree. So here you can see wind blowing very fast. So it is the picture of clouds which is you can see here, but in real there is no this type of cloud. If you are trying to find cloud in sky who is blowing wind, so it is not possible. It is just a picture. So it is windy day. Mostly windy day we feel in monsoon and in summer also, right? So it is windy day. In the next day you can see here it is cloudy day. Why? Because you can see here clouds in the sky, right? So you can understand that cloudy days are the day on sky you only see clouds. You can see here black clouds. So it means after sometimes there is rain. And if you see cloudy day, it is not compulsory that it may be rain. No. If you think that if you see clouds in the sky, so it's raining after sometimes. No. Sometimes clouds are not give rain. Right? So here you can see the picture of cloudy day. So these all things we learn in previous lecture. Here you can see the picture of snowman, picture of windy day, clouds. You can see here sun also. You can see here storm also. You can see here different type of clouds also which you see on different day in sky. So all these things we learn in previous lecture. So let's see what we learn today and start our today's topic. So our today's topic is hot and sunny day, right? So here you can see the picture of sun, and with this sun you can easily understand that which type of day it is, because we all know that hot and sunny day means there is sun shines very brightly, right? So here you can see the sun is shines very brightly. And you can see that the full sun here, right? So right now after we all feel in afternoon very heat, right? In morning we feel cold, but in afternoon we all feel very heat, right? Before a week we all are feeling cold the whole day, but right now from 3 or 4 days we are not feeling cold, but we are feeling heat in atmosphere. So it means it is hot and sunny day. Why we called it sunny day? Because you can see the sun shines very brightly. So it is related to sun, and that's why we called it sunny day. So here you can see the picture of sun which is shines very brightly. So which type of day it is? It is hot and sunny day. Because of the heat of the sun, we feel the heating waves also, right? So that's why because of sun we called it hot days, hot and sunny days, right? So let's learn about hot and sunny day. So what is hot and sunny day, right? So think in your mind, what is hot and sunny day? Hot means the thing is very heating, right? So like when you are at home and when your mother is in kitchen, she always told you that stay out of the things which is hot, right? If container is hot and you touch it, so you are injured. So what is hot and sunny day? So like that, when you feel heat in atmosphere and you are sweating and you need water to drink, so it is the day hot and sunny day, right? So let's see what is hot and sunny day. So here you can see the picture of sun and you can understand that how it is bright, right? You can see that. So when you are at your home, right, in afternoon, right, nowadays start hot days, right? So when you are going on the terrace and you can see there is sun in the sky, right? So you cannot see sun for more times directly, right? Right? Why? Because of the heat of the sun, we cannot see sun directly for more times, right? So here you can see, because of the sun and because of brightness of the sun, we cannot see sun. And remember that sun is giving not only the light, but it is the sunlight. And for more time you stay in the sunlight, then you feel dehydration in your body, right? So that's why in hot days we all are staying at our home, in our home. That's why in our school also we give vacations in hot days, right? So let's see what is sunny day. So some days of the year are very hot. So as I told you that there are particular days and particular time of the year are known as hot days. So we divide season also with these days, right? So some days of the year are very hot when the sun shines very brightly. So right now the days which are very hot just now starting. So you can understand that right now we need to on fan, we need to on AC, and we need to keep ourselves cool, right? Why? Because the heat in atmosphere is too much and you need to save yourself from dehydration in your body, right? So you can understand that some days of the year are very hot and at that days the sun shines very brightly. That's why we all are living in our house, mostly in afternoon we all are stay at our home. So it is sunny day. So here you can see the picture of some hot days or sunny day. So you can see here that sun shines very brightly. Sun is wearing sunglasses also, but it is only for your fun. It is not true that sun is wearing sunglasses, right? So here you can see one person is there and you can see there is a hand fan in hand of the person, and we all are using this type of things in these days, right? So mostly these days are found in summer, right? So as I told you that we learn about the seasons also according to the days, right? So here you can see the picture of sun, hot sunny day picture, and you can see the person is also sweating, right, because of the heat of the sun, right? So you can easily understand all these things with this picture. Now you can see here the person again, and you can see that person is using umbrella, right? So when we learn about different type of things which we use in the different seasons or different day, the umbrella is the one of the thing which we use in all 3 days. Like in sunny days we are using umbrella to protect ourselves from sunlight. In rainy days we are using umbrella to protect ourselves from rain, and in cold day we are using umbrella to protect ourselves from snowfall, right? So here you can see the sun shines very brightly, and because of that the person is feeling heat. And most important thing, that on hot days we need to drink more and more water. Why? Because of the heat of the sun we feel heat in our body also, and we need water also. And if you are not drinking water, then you feel dehydration. So these hot days are known as summer also. So as I told you that we are learning about different type of season also in this lesson. So our today's topic is also seasons, right? So you can see here summer. So as we all know that summer is the season in which we are feeling heat, and we can see hot days also, right? So here you can see the picture of sun and summer, right? So right now the summer is just starting. So particular months of the year are known as summer. So in our year there are 12 months, and we divide these 12 months in 3 seasons, right? So from this just now the summer is start, right? So in summer we all feel heat in atmosphere, right? So you can see here picture of summer, and we all know that there is summer vacations in our school. Right now we have vacation of COVID-19, right? So right now you can understand that we need to stay at our home. But if it is regular timing, so in our schools there is summer vacation, right? So when the days of the year are very hot, these days are known as summer season, right? So here you can see the picture of summer season, and here you can see one boy and girl is sweating because of heat of the sun. So here you can see the other picture, and as I told you that you need to drink more and more water in summer. Why? Because you need to keep your body cool. So here you can see one girl is drinking water. And even when you are going out in summer, when you come back to home, first thing you are do is first you drink water. Why? Because our body need more water. So it is the season of summer. So what the weather like? Here you can see the picture of weather. Now again the word weather, so you can understand that when you see news also, news channels, you can see that on particular time they show us the weather condition, right? So it is the condition of weather which changes every day. So here you can see hot, it is hot, sunny day, and you can see it's hot and sunny, put on sunglasses. So mostly in summer season people are wearing sunglasses to protect our eyes from the sunlight, right? So you learn about sunny and hot days, right? So now let's learn something new about these days. So which type of clothes we wear in sunny day? So as I told you that sunny day means the sun shines very brightly, right? So that's why we need to wear the clothes which is help to protect us from sun and sunlight, right? So which type of clothes we wear and how we understand that which type of clothes we need to wear, right? So here you can see that some days of the year are very hot. So keep in your mind right now the hot days are starting, right? So some days of the year are very hot, the sun shines very brightly, right? So we wear light colored clothes during hot days. Light colors means mostly people are wearing white color clothes, and which is very thin, and it is cotton clothes, right? Because you are wearing if thick clothes or you are wearing woolen clothes, so you are sweating because of the heat, and maybe you are feeling very tired also, and maybe you fell down also because of the heat. So these clothes keep our bodies cool, and we need to understand that some type of clothes keep our body cool. And which clothes keep our body cool? It is cotton clothes which we get from cotton plant, right? So in lesson number 9 we learn about cotton clothes also, right? We learn that we get cotton from cotton plant. The flower of the cotton give us cotton, and we made clothes from the cotton. So these clothes keep our body cool. So that's why we need to wear clothes like this. It is very hot in summer, so we prefer to wear light cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep our body dry and cool. So here you can see the picture of cotton clothes. Mostly we are wearing cotton clothes, we are wearing half sleeve clothes, right? So you need to wear the clothes which cool your body. Because of that you are feeling good, right? So that's why here you can see the picture of different cotton clothes. You can see here t-shirt, and you can see here frocks and many other things, right? So clothes in the summer season, and we are wearing cotton clothes, keep our body dry and cool. Here you can see that sunglasses, and you can see cap which is protect our eyes and head. You can see here umbrella, and you can see here slippers also. So this type of things we are wearing our body, and we keep our body safe from heat and sunlight, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn about day of the year, and it is hot and sunny day. So I hope you all understand and enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.